Hi everyone, my name is Damilare. I'm a full stack software developer, and today I will be showing you 2 pro ways to create your functional component in React. Let's dive right into it. We'll see that I have is an ongoing project, so I want to create a new component inside this file called page.tsx. To be able to create the file, I'm going to be showing you, to be able to create the component, I'll be showing you 2 extensions that will help you to be creating your functional component like a pro. The first one is what is called Simple React Snippet. Yes, that's the name. So you click on this extension button right here on your VS Code, click it, and then it brings you to VS Code Marketplace, whereby you can type Simple React Snippet. And as you begin to type it, it's going to float up top here. You click on that, and then it gives you the details on the right corner, on the top right. And then you can see disable button and uninstall button. In your own case, you are likely to be seeing install because you have not installed it before. Because I have installed it, I'm seeing uninstall. So once you click on that install button, which is this button that I'm putting my mouse on, but it will be writing install, then it will be installed for you. And after you finish the installation, just come back, you can close this one, and then you come back to your file, and then you are ready to write your component like a pro. So the first one is SFC. Just type SFC like that, which means stateless functional component. And once you type SFC, just press tab, and then it's going to give you this skeleton for you to just put in the name of your component. So let's say I want to put home. So it's going to put home on line 3, and it's going to put home on line 7 for you by default automatically, because the cursors are appearing in both places at the same time. So you just continue with in the return statement, you just want to do your div or your main, whatever it is that you want to start with, just start with that. Okay, that's the first one. I said I promised 2 extensions. The second extension is called ES7 So like as usual, I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete all these ones. Then I'll go back to my extensions tab, which is this one here. You click it, and then you clear off what you have in the search bar. And this time around, you'll be entering ES7 And by the time you type ES7 it's going to float up top here. And when you click on this one, it's going to give you the details on this side. Of course, as usual, because I've already installed it, I'll be seeing uninstall at that particular location. You may be seeing installed it, and that is what you are supposed to click for you to have this extension in your VS Code. So after it has installed, when you click that install button, you can close this one, and then you go back to your file. Now, to use this second extension, this one is a bit superb than the first one. To use this one, just type RAFCE. Very simple, RAFCE, which means React Arrow Function Export Component. By the time you type it and then you press tab, it's going to give you this one. It has given you line 3, import React by itself. It has given you the name. It's going to copy the name of the file. The name of my own file here is page.tsx. So it has copied that name as the name of the component. But most of the time, I want to change it. So I'll just press Ctrl backspace immediately. At that point, the cursor is still appearing on line 5, line 7, and line 11 at the same time simultaneously. So I want to change the name to home. So it's just going to put home in all those locations for me. Those are the 2 pro ways that I'm giving you today, using those 2 extensions to create your functional component like a pro. You don't have VS Code in your machine and you want to know how to install it. I have a video up there that you can check on how to install VS Code into your machine. It covers everything, how to download it, how to install it, and the settings to pick. Then if you want to also install Git in your machine globally, you can also check another video up there. Then if you are new to programming but you want to start softly by learning HTML and CSS, I have a playlist up there that you can also check out. It's a training where we train people how to build e-commerce website from scratch. So people that don't even have programming training can actually benefit from it. I think you are going to love it. So please do put your comment in the comment section to let me know how you feel about this video, and if you want any other thing, you can let me know also in the comment section of this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one, but until next one, remember, my name is Damilare. Bye bye.